Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is scrolling. In many web applications, our elements are present in DOM but not visible on screen. Selenium may fail to click or interact. In such cases, we need to scroll the page. Selenium does not provide direct scroll methods, so we use JavaScript executor, scroll by pixel, scroll until an element is visible. Scrolling is common in long pages, infinite scroll pages, dashboards, forms within many sections. Here in the sample script, the element is not visible on the screen. Trying to click without scrolling may fail. Now I am scrolling the page using JavaScript. The element comes into view. Then after scrolling, the interaction succeeds. Let me run, then you will have better understanding. First, Cognito login page is loaded. Once the login is successful, we navigate to the today's section in the home page. If you see, today's section is navigated. So scrolling executed successfully. Let me recap again. Presence does not mean visibility. Scrolling brings elements into interaction range. Scroll only when required. Don't overuse JavaScript. So best way is whenever you are able to find an element and use click option, instead of directly clicking, first scroll to that element and then click. This is the used most of the way in real automation projects. If it is not in the view, Selenium cannot act. So better way is first scroll and then click or do actions.